15 interesting facts about wolves. Keycap 1. Wolves are extremely intelligent animals. They can solve problems, learn from experience, and remember complex hunting strategies. Keycap 2. They communicate in many different ways. Wolves use howls, growls, whines, body language, and facial expressions to communicate. Keycap 3. Wolves live in packs with strong social bonds. A pack is usually a family led by a dominant breeding pair. Keycap 4. Each wolf has a specific role in the pack. Some lead hunts, others protect pups, and some guard territory. Keycap 5. Wolves can travel incredible distances. They can walk or run over 50 kilometers in a single day in search of food. Keycap 6. Their sense of smell is incredibly powerful. A wolf can detect prey from up to 2 to 3 kilometers away. Keycap 7. Wolves have excellent hearing. They can hear sounds from over 10 kilometers away in open terrain. Keycap 8. A wolf's howl can travel vast distances. Howls can be heard up to 10 kilometers, helping packs stay connected. Keycap 9. Wolves are fast runners. They can reach speeds of 55 to 60 kilometers per hour during a chase. Keycap 10. They are highly loyal to their pack. Wolves care for injured members and share food with weaker ones. 1. Wolves are dedicated parents. Both parents and other pack members help raise and protect the pups. 1. They play an important role in ecosystems. As apex predators, wolves help control prey populations and keep nature balanced. 1. Wolves have powerful jaws. Their bite force is strong enough to crush bones. 1. They can survive in extreme environments. Wolves live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even deserts. 1. Wolves rarely attack humans. They generally avoid people and prefer to stay away from human settlements.